Namaste doston, hello friends. This video is brought to you by Lingua Hindi Tutoring Service. Our focus today will be on Hindi vowels, how you actually say each of these vowels, and the correct way to write it. So there are total of 12 vowels in Hindi language as opposed to 5 vowels in English. However, you will see some similarities between the Hindi and English vowels. So in English, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, while in Hindi, the vowels are A, E, U, E, O, Anga. So let's take a look at each of these vowels carefully. A, E, E. Here is a short video about how to write letters E. We learn how to write the letter A, draw number 3, and now draw a line in the middle connecting to number 1. So draw a straight line and make sure you draw the line on the top. Without that, the letter is not complete. So this is letter A. Make sure you draw 3 dash number 1 and don't forget the line on the top. So this is letter A, and when you write it on a lined sheet of paper, the letter is written below the line. Just like when you write English, you write above the line, but Hindi letters are written below the line. So as you will see in the video right now. So we will write number 3 dash and the number 1 connecting to it and the line on top. That's A. Now let's move on to the next letter, A. Very similar to number 2A. So again, it will be, you'll be drawing just like number 3. So you will write number 3 as you did in A, the line in the middle connecting to number 1. So once you're done that, make sure you draw the line on the top, but before that, there is another line that makes it A, and if you need to extend the top line, you need to do that. So this is A. The previous one was A, this is A. So now we have to learn, we'll show you how to write the letter E. For that, you'll draw a small line and you write the letter S with a loop at the bottom. Don't forget the loop. So it's S with the loop and the line on the top. So this is E. So A, E. For the big E, which is E, we would draw again the S and with the loop at the bottom, make sure it's good, and a crown on the top. This will be E. A, E. E. We will now focus on the vowels O, oo, e, oo, oo, e, e. Okay, so let's write the letter O. This is the small O. All you're doing is now writing number 3. Make sure you draw the line on the top. And that's the complete letter O. So it's as easy, writing as simple as number 3. And that's pretty much it. Now we'll show you how to write the letter OO. Again, you will draw or write number 3, and you will now draw a tail right there, and that's OO, the big OO. Make sure you draw the line on the top. So this is OO. So we have done O and OO, and now we will look at writing the letter A, which is a little different from anything else you have done so far. So you'll just draw a very short line, and now draw this long tail with a slight curve at the bottom. Then you'll draw another line touching this tail like that, and draw the line on the top, and that is the letter A. So it looks very different from the English letter A, right? Now we'll draw to write the letter E. Again, it'll be very similar. Draw that short line, draw this long curvy tail, and draw another short line touching that curvy tail, the line on the top, and you put a feather in that hat, just like that, with a little loop. There you go. That's E. Oo, oo, e, E. Now we'll focus on the vowels O, A, ang, O, O, ang, anga, or aha. Now you will watch a short video about how to write O, A, ang, anga. So now we will write O, the letter O. So again, you will write number 3, just as you did in the letter Very, very similar to letter the line in the middle and touching the number 1 or the long line. And you would draw another number 1 or long line next to it as if you're writing ah, and line on the top. And you'll put a feather in the cap, and that makes it O. So this is the Hindi letter O. So good. Again, it's very simple. All you're doing is writing 3 and very similar to A. So now let's look at how to write A. So again, 3, just like in A, dash or the line in the middle or in the center, connecting to the long line or number 1. Draw the other number 1 or the long line, and make sure it's all good. Draw the line on the top, and you are going to add a feather, just you did in O, and another feather in the cap. This makes it A. O, A. Now let's look at how to write the letter ang. Again, very similar to o, ah. They all are very similar. So again, you would write the the number 3 with a little line in the center connecting to the number 1 or the long line. Make sure it's connected, and a line on the top with the dot right above it. So this makes it ung. This gives that nasalized sound. Ung. Ung. I just realized that the view is not in full camera here, so here you go once again. Write number 3 and the line in between connecting to number 1 or the long line, the line on top, and the dot. Don't forget the dot. That's important for the letter ung. So ung, you have, as you can see, there are so many similarities, right, in many of these letters with the number 3 and the number 1s. Now let's look at how to write anga or aha, as some folks may pronounce it. Both are correct. Write 3 with the dash or the center line connecting to number 1 or the long line, the line on the top, and here the dots go on the side. There will be 2 dots, one up, and there we go. So this is the letter anga or aha. So folks, this is the end of our video on Hindi vowels. We hope many of you find this video beneficial. So thank you so much for watching. We would appreciate a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below. And please do certainly provide us any feedback if you may have, because we will certainly factor that in as we develop future videos. But we will be back next week with a new video. So please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.